I'm at the Countryside Cottage today, and I thought I would show you this beautiful set of birches, which I've shown you all before, but it looks magnificent. It's nice and full. We have a beautiful day, blue sky. It's very hot here today, and it has been for about a week and a half now, so a lot of the grass is starting to get a little bit brown, but we're going to be working on that here really soon. And also, you may want to go to the House and Garden channel because we're going to be doing some new things for the new season. And the wildlife pond is doing absolutely wonderful, and I will be showing you more on that. Hope you're all having a great day. See you all again very soon. All of my videos are brought to you by Pamela M. Curtis, House and Gardens, and Garden Reply.